Namaste. I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and you're welcome to close your eyes or have a downward gaze. Begin by noticing your breath as it is, breathing in and breathing out. And now I'd like to invite you to take a few grounding breaths with my guidance, where we'll breathe in for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 6 seconds. You're welcome to breathe in from the nostrils and out either from your nostrils or your mouth. When you're ready, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then continue to breathe in whatever natural rhythm resonates for you. February carries a quiet energy. The year is still new, still open, and in this space, I invite you to pause. If it feels comfortable, bring one hand to the center of your chest and just feel the steady rhythm of your heart. Present, alive, and vibrant. This month is often associated with love. Today, let love be simple, not something to chase or prove, just something to return to. As you breathe in, imagine your breath moving into your heart space. And as you exhale, feel your heart soften. You're welcome to repeat in your mind, I allow myself to begin again. If thoughts arise, notice them kindly and let them pass without effort, like clouds drifting across the sky. Bring to mind one small feeling of appreciation for your breath, your body, or this moment of stillness. Allow that feeling to rest in your heart. No need to expand it. Just allow it to be. If this season brings tenderness or reflection, know that it is welcome here. The heart does not need to be fixed, only felt. You're welcome to repeat in your mind or out aloud. May I meet this moment with kindness. May I move forward with an open heart. Take a full, deep, nourishing breath in and out. And feel the support beneath you, the steadiness of the earth, the quiet promise of a new beginning. Carry this warmth with you, a reminder that love begins within, and each moment offers a new beginning. Namaste.